It's true. Hey, yeah.
Did you bloody hear me? You are doing my nutting. I was this close to laying down a completely killer track, and you...
Are you Angus Scattergood?
No, I'm his gardener.
Oh my gosh, I'm actually meeting Angus Scattergood's gardener. This is sorry.
Let go of me, you stupid mutt.
Sorry. Could you give Mr. Scattergood a message from me?
Oh, I'll give him a message, all right. I will tell Mr. Scattergood all about you, but he will never, ever be your music teacher. You got to be sure about that, because you
Mr. Gardner.
are an idiot, and you make all this noise. Oh, the gates are closing.
Are you all right, Mr. Gardner? Here, let me help.
Don't you come near me, you weirdo. Ozzy, bring round a golf cart, mate. I have been zapped by the doodah. I'm completely paralyzed, Ozzy, except for my mouth. My mouth is working, and my finger.